let's discuss choosing and using a Megger, specifically for your situation involving flooded electrical systems. You are looking to test the integrity of wiring and transformers after a flood, which is a sensible approach to potentially salvage valuable components. First, let's talk about purchasing a Megger. There are several factors to consider. 1. The type of Megger. You will want an insulation resistance tester. Make sure it's capable of measuring up to at least 1000 volts to handle a variety of electrical systems. 2. The range. It is recommended to choose one that has a wide measurement range. Something from 0.10 ohms to 5000 megohms should cover most of your needs. 3. Features. Some Meggers offer features such as data logging, remote testing, and adjustable test voltage. These can be really handy in certain situations, so think about if you need them. 4. Budget. Meggers can vary in price. Set a budget beforehand. Now, how to use a Megger for testing wire and transformers. When testing wire, 1. Ensure the wire is completely de-energized and disconnected from any power source. This is absolutely crucial for your safety. 2. Connect the Megger leads to each end of the wire you are testing. 3. Set the Megger to a suitable test voltage. Something like 500 volts for shorter wires, or 1000 volts for longer runs is good. 4. Press the test button on the Megger and carefully note the reading displayed. 5. A reading above 1 megohm generally indicates good insulation resistance. If the reading is significantly lower, the wire insulation may have been compromised by the floodwater and might need replacing. When testing transformers, the procedure is a little different. 1. Make sure that the transformer is de-energized. Disconnect all leads from the transformer. 2. Short the secondary windings together. This protects the secondary side during the test. 3. Connect one Megger lead to the primary winding of the transformer. Connect the other lead to the transformer's ground. 4. Set the Megger to a higher test voltage than you would for wiring, something like 1000 volts or even 2500 volts. 5. Press the test button and carefully observe the Megger reading. 6. A reading above 10 megohms usually indicates good insulation resistance. Again, a lower reading suggests potential problems. Safety is paramount when using a Megger. Remember these precautions. 1. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, and insulated clothing. 2. Follow lockout-tagout procedures meticulously before starting any testing. 3. Make sure you're using a high voltage rated Megger that's appropriate for the voltage levels you are testing. 4. Test in a well-ventilated area. 5. Never touch live conductors while testing. 6. After use, always discharge the Megger by shorting the leads together. Here are some additional tips. 1. If you don't anticipate needing a Megger frequently, consider renting one instead of purchasing it outright. 2. If possible, get some training from a qualified electrician on proper Megger testing techniques. 3. If you encounter low insulation resistance readings, further investigation is definitely necessary to pinpoint the source of the problem. 4. Keep a good record of your measurements for future reference. This will help you track changes in insulation resistance over time. These measurements can be valuable for predictive maintenance.